everyone. So today we're going to find a frozen caveman in Theodore Wirth Park. Let's go. Look at all the wintry activities Minnesota has to offer.
Theodore Wirth, which is why not the.
Peggy, where are we going today?
We are going to find Zug Zug.
What's Zug Zug?
The ice caveman that this artist in Minneapolis created to kind of hide in different locations around the city to encourage people to get out and about and look for Zug Zug and to be active during all these times that we're going through right now. He just wanted to add a little positivity to the current events and get people out and about and active, which is awesome.
Hell yeah.
So that's what we're doing. We're looking for Zug Zug, and we may or may not find Zug Zug, but apparently there's a Zara that this artist is creating who will be somewhere in Minnesota. Nobody knows where.
Okay.
So that'll be the next trip, but we're gonna take some off the beaten path. I'm trying to avoid
people.
Yeah, because it's Saturday. Saturday, it's already kind of so we're gonna go that way.
All right.
Let's go that way. And get away from
the danger way.
The people. Yeah, we're gonna go to the danger.
Let's go this way.
Danger zone.
Take your...
I thought about stuff.
This way? Okay.
That's where I've been.
That's where the caveman is?
Nobody knows.
Oh, nobody knows. Oh, you gotta find it.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean a bunch of people have found it, but they don't tell you where it is.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be cool to ice skate.
Yeah. You guys hang out? Is this where you hang out and smoke weed and drink beers and stuff? Peggy?
Me Me and Cindy do.
Is this like your secret fort?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you come come when you're cutting class to come smoke weed and drink 40s and.
We're like, fuck this, burnout. We're burnouts. We're blowing this pop stand. We're going to the beer stand.
You guys are such rebels.
Oh shit.
Oh shit! What? Oh shit!
A Corona.
Fucking A.
That looks like an alligator.
This camp has Corona.
Stumbled across. Yeah, it's not like it's crazy excursion.
So this is pretty cool. We're like walking through the park and we came upon this like looks like an abandoned factory from here. Math, dude. Watch out for the math gang. Pretty dope. What's up? What are you looking at? Oh, and go around. Oh, yeah, dude, I'm not gonna go in there, man. That's not a good idea. If it was at night and I was like a ninja and like 20 years younger, maybe. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know if they got a dog in there or like some jackass watching this place with a gun or something. Yeah, it's pretty badass, so I would let you go in there, but I wonder what this used to be. Just like a grain silo or something? Pretty dope. Yeah. I love urban decay.
I like that part. Live fast, eat ass.
See you girls, see here? Right here. This is where the Chi-Coms pump in the laser beams into your mind to make you into a communist. It's like a haunted castle.
Yeah. It probably is haunted, but I don't want to go up there. There's like a pizza slice up there.
A pizza slice?
Yeah.
Oh, way up in the top. Yeah. I see it.
Oh, pizza sounds good.
I know, I'm like,
Pizza. Pizza. key, excuse me, the key to surviving a Minnesota winter is just to get out in it and try not to stay cooped up. I know it's cold and it hurts and it's wet and it's hard to breathe and your eyebrows freeze and your eyelashes freeze, but you just gotta deal with it if you're gonna live here in Minnesota. Yeah. That's where Peggy keeps her victims. Thank you, Peggy.
And whichever one you want.
We're gonna have some hot chocolate. Can I have a little white mug?
Yeah, Tina gave me that.
That's cute.
Salted caramel
Salted caramel?
with almond milk and some spices, nutmeg and cinnamon and stuff.
So holiday festive. Oh yeah. Oh. Molten chocolate love.
It's good. It's probably really sweet.
That's what it
And
should
then your zucchini, lime, coconut.
be.
Lime and lemon. Zucchini.
How'd you get this small little
Ciabatta.
loaf? Oh, it turned out real good. Like, yeah.
It's not like super rich. I know, I was thinking we could dunk them.
Cities collapse with the flight of the ascended. The dispossessed are left under the watch of empty structures built on speculation. The numbers expand, the numbers contract. Markets thrive, markets crash. A zero-sum game always favors its makers. Invisible hands in the trickle-down arrangement. The numbers expand, the numbers contract. But some are protected on others' backs. With boots and bumps and problems bursting. The poor is always shoulder, the whip. Balance attention, balance effects.
It's pretty cool. I've actually never seen one of these things up close. And for all my years of living in Colorado, snow making machine. Pretty cool. There's a couple of them here. Sweet. Our quest for, what's his name?
Zug Zug.
Zug Zug was denied. We couldn't find him and it's really cold, so we're gonna go home.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Maybe. I don't know. Have a good day. Bye.
Powerful service. Some just have to suffer.